Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful and very easy looking pattern. You can use this pattern in your gents sweater, ladies sweater, baby sweater and baby's blanket as well. See, it has this beautiful small pattern. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and for this pattern you need to cast on, or you can cast on any uneven number stitches, right, any odd number stitches. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 13 stitches on my needle, and now row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Knit your edge stitch through the back loop first and knit all stitches. Row 1 right side, we have finished our row 1 right side. Now row 2 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn in back, knit 1 and slip 1 with yarn in front, slip 1, right? That's the repeat pattern from here to here. Knit 1 and slip 1 with yarn in front. Repeat that again. Yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, slip 1. Yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, slip 1. Yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, slip 1. Yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, slip 1. And last 2 stitch, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, slip 1. Your edge stitch, slip 1. Row 3 right side. For row 3 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, slip 1. Purl 1, slip 1 with yarn in back. Repeat that again. Purl 1, yarn in back, slip 1. 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 And your last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. And your last row, wrong side row, knit all stitches. Wrong side, slip this edge stitch on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat these 4 rows, row 1 to row 4, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repetition, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.